Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about FVGs. The topics of this video are as follows. First, we will find out what is the meaning of FVG. Second, we will find out how we can trade them in the market. And third, we will introduce the indicator that we have made for you to use it in the market. Okay, so let's move forward and see what FVG means. FVG is a level in the market where either buyer pressure or seller pressure exists. As you can see on the left side of this slide, FVG is formed with three candles. As you can see, the middle candle shapes the imbalance that shows the pressure of buyers in the market. Also, on the right side, we have downward FVGs, which shows the power of sellers, and the middle candle shows the imbalance. Now let's talk about how we can trade these levels in the market. As you can see, the price reacts to these levels, and after reaching them, it resumes its main direction. So you should combine FVGs with other concepts in the market and you will improve your trading. So now let's talk about how our indicator can improve your trading actions and leads you to better trading. Okay, in this part, we will talk about the FVG indicator that we have made. When you drag and drop the indicator on the chart, first you will see this page. You can see the name of indicator, Smart FVG Levels Indicator for MetaTrader 5. In the other tab, you will find out the setting of this indicator. It has two different sections. The first section is General Setting. In General Setting, you have two different parameters. The first one is the number of candles you want to consider when the indicator is doing the calculation. It has four different modes. It will consider all candles, last 1000 and last 500 and last 100. The second parameter is about showing or hiding intersections. The second section is about FVG setting. The first parameter is FVG show. When you set this one to true, you will see the FVGs on the chart. I mean, these levels in green and purple. The second one is a type of showing FVGs on the chart. For example, let's change it to a rectangle with filled color and 50% line and see what happens. We have a 50% line in the middle of the FVG. Most of the time, when the price reaches to these levels, it will retrace from the 50%. So you can change the type of showing FVGs with this parameter. The next two are about the colors. One is the support color and the other is the resistance. Supports are these levels lower than current price that when price goes down and reach these levels, it will retrace and goes up again, and vice versa for the resistance. If you don't want to see the FVG labels, these FVG text in the levels, you can set this one to false so it won't show the labels anymore. The next parameter is about how many FVGs do you want to see in each side, support or resistance. When it's 0, it will show all the FVGs on the chart. So I will set it to 2 and let's see what happens. You can see it is showing the last two FVGs in two different sides, resistance and support. We have two here and two here. And the last parameter is distance from the FVG. Let's see what does this mean. When you set this to 1000, for example, it means that the close price of the last close candle to the nearest price of this level should be less than 1000 points. So if I set this one to, for example, 300, I think we shouldn't see this level anymore because it is more than 300. Let's see what happens. As you can see, this level here is more than 300 points to the last closed price. It's about 412. So this parameter will filter the far levels that won't work for you. And you will see the nearest ones and most important ones. At last, if you find any issues in this indicator, please let us know so we can update it for you. Thank you for watching.